I'm Corinne with Thompson RV in Pendleton, Oregon. Today we're standing in a brand new 2022 Outdoors RV Blackstone 260KVS Titanium Series. So I've already done a video a few weeks ago on the Mountain Series that came in, but this is the first time that I've even seen this brand new floor plan in the Titanium Series. If you are still learning about Outdoors RV and you might be confused on what is a titanium and what is a mountain, we have another video on our channel that showcases all of the upgrades you get on a titanium. So I'm going to point out a few throughout this video, but if you're wanting to know every single thing that it comes with, be sure and check out that video. So this is the 260 KVS. First they came out with the 21 KVS, which was super popular, but it's very small, okay? Then they came out with the 26 KVS. It was on fire. Everybody loved it, so they decided to come out with a little bit longer version in the Blackstone. So what they do, they've got this huge wraparound kitchen here, and the KVS stands for kitchen view with slide outs. So you've got a gorgeous kitchen view with all these windows, all the natural light. They're all dual pane, thermal pane windows. That's standard on all Outdoors RVs. Titanium comes with the frameless outside windows. A Mountain Series would come with the framed windows. So back here, again, tons of counter space. You've got a garbage chute, so you can drop your garbage down here, and then there's a little door that I'll show you from the outside, so you don't have to traipse through your trailer with a sack of dirty, gross garbage. Microwave is down low, obviously, because it's not going to be overhead with the kitchen windows. So you've got that down here. You've got a storage door down here. That's a very large, deep cabinet. In the titanium, you get the fancier stove with the backlighting and then also a push button ignition for the pilot in the oven. Outdoors RV also uses a larger oven than a lot of other manufacturers. You've got a 3-burner sealed stove, meaning that if you drop stuff on your stove, it can't go down and in, so it's much easier to clean. With the glass top, so this is to add more counter space when the stovetop is not in use. You've got a knife rack right back here. You've got a single basin farm style sink that's stainless steel with a wire rack to protect the bottom. The titanium comes with the little bit fancier high arc faucet with a pull-out nozzle. And then you've got a bank of 4 drawers as well as a little bit of extra storage here under the sink and plumbing access. In all KVS models, because you're not going to have an over-the-range exhaust fan, they're going to give you a 4-speed Max Air Deluxe vent fan that's just a 4-speed exhaust only, but it does have the built-in rain cover. So that's going to be your exhaust fan for the rear kitchen. So then when you come over here, you've got the 8 cubic foot American-made Norcold 110 and gas refrigerator. The Outdoors RV Mountain Dinette. The Mountain Dinette is kind of their coined phrase for this gigantic dinette. It makes down into almost a 7-foot bed. They also use a very heavy duty base and table system along with a ribbed table leg. So it's very sturdy. Underneath, you're going to get large pot and pan drawers, and they've added a locking system. So it locks or you can unlock it. Okay, so once it's in, you have to actually depress that button so that it is locked. There's also a little bit of storage from about there over. You just take the cushions off, pull up one of the seat panels, and there's extra storage in there for maybe some items that you don't need to get to all of the time. This model is equipped with the fireplace. So that is actually a 110 electric fireplace. You can use it for heat only, you can use it flame only, or you can do both. In all of the Outdoors RVs, they're going to use the largest size TV that they can fit in the location, and almost all of them, with the exception of the big 50-inch TVs and a couple of the fifth wheels, they're always going to be an LED 12-volt TV. So you can watch them when not plugged into power. It's actually going to run off of your batteries. Lots of overhead storage on this model, as well as a little storage on the side of the fireplace. This is going to be your CD, DVD, Bluetooth stereo. There's also speakers on the outside, so you can Bluetooth your phone and listen to music out underneath your electric awning. Over here, this is going to be your kitchen pantry. Because they removed the upper cabinets in this to give you the gorgeous view, they gave you this bank of storage to store all of your dry goods. On the KVS models, the 26 and the 260, you get a walk-through bathroom, which is one of the largest bathrooms in the Outdoors RV lineup. So you get a lot of counter space. You get the largest shower pan in any of the Outdoors RVs. Porcelain toilet, and then also some storage here off to the side of the shower. What I do here is I roll up towels and store them in like that. You've also got a couple of towel hooks. You have another Max Air exhaust fan, a skylight in the shower for some of our taller people. And then what's kind of cool about a walk-through bathroom is you get a bathroom window. So there's a lot of natural light in this bathroom. And then the hardwood vanity. And they've gone to the black hardware and faucets, which is kind of cool. Another titanium feature is going to be your light up vanity mirror. So here in the bedroom is going to be where your third slide out is. And this is all wardrobe storage, which is really nice. On most models, if they don't have the bedroom slide, you're going to have a shirt ward here, as well as on the other side of the bed, and then some folding storage up here. But if you're going to be on an extended trip, 2 weeks or maybe more, or maybe you just like to pack a lot of stuff, hunting gear, whatever, this extra closet on this side comes in really handy. You've got solid surface countertops on each side of the bed in the titanium series, along with under cabinet lighting. And then the new reading lights that are also a night light, tap once or tap twice. The front windshield is one of my favorite titanium features. Not only does it give you a view out the front, but it also lets in a lot of natural light, which makes this whole bedroom feel a little bit bigger. There is a very thick insulated pillow that I have stored under the bed on this model that you can stuff in there if you want to black it out so that you want to sleep longer, or to insulate. This is a true 60 by 80 queen mattress. The Outdoors RV does a true queen mattress in every single floor plan except the 21 KVS. It's just a little bit too short, so they can't. But in every other model, you're going to get the 60 by 80. And also the titanium comes with the upgraded mattress, which is awesome. This model also has the bedroom door. So you've got an extra entry into the trailer. So let's say you're stopping and you just want to hop in and use the restroom. You can come right through that front door. As well as the titanium feature of the 12-volt TV with the DVD player in the side. Okay, so now that we've looked at this trailer with the slide outs out, we're going to go ahead and put the slide outs in so that we can see what you can access while traveling down the road. And then we'll do a quick tour of the outside to show you where all of the drain locations are, the outside shower, the garbage chute, etc. Okay, so as you can see, once the slide outs are in, because they're opposing slides, they come together like this. You can squeak by if you need to get to the restroom. You can also easily access the fridge. You can easily access the entire kitchen, all of the drawers, everything. So really, unless you were choosing to go in and just go to the bathroom through that front door, you can access everything from the main rear door. Okay, so here on the outside, the main entry door is going to be the rear door. So you're going to have the triple aluminum step and the extra large grab bar handle. Because it's a titanium, this is equipped with the auto leveling system, as well as frameless windows and the high gloss Lamilux 4000 fiberglass exterior. This has the AlumiGuard on the awning. All of the Outdoors RVs come with an electric awning with that AlumiGuard wrap. They also add a support in the center, and that is because Outdoors RV, if you look at all of their models, they use the longest awning possible. A lot of other brands, you'll see this 33-foot trailer with a 10-foot awning, and that's because they're cheap, right? So this, on every Outdoors RV, they put on the longest awning possible per where the blocking and studs are to make it work. So I get a lot of questions on anything that has opposing slide outs. that is this second slide out on the door side, is it going to be in the way? The answer is no. So when this comes out, it's not any wider than your door. So clearance, if you have clearance for your steps and you have clearance for your door, then you also have clearance for this slide out. Outside speakers, which again run off of the interior stereo. It has Bluetooth or a CD player. This is where you would fill up your 80 gallons of fresh water. You've got a 110 outlet, 2 of them right here under the awning. This is just access to your furnace. This is the entry door into your bedroom, or if you want easy access to the bathroom while traveling. Another triple aluminum step. All of the Outdoors RVs come with an insulated exterior baggage door. They all have magnetic catches, and they all come with the slam latches. Inside here, this is all insulated so that you don't have cold air from your storage area going up under to your bed. They do the rubberized diamond plate on the floor here. There's also some extra buttons for the auto leveling system in here, as well as a battery kill switch and a light. This unit is getting ready to be picked up. So here at Thompson RV, we include a 25-foot sewer hose. We include your dog bone adapter, water regulator, and a really good Dominator sewer hose, as well as full propane tanks, 2 batteries, etc. So all of that comes included when you buy a trailer from us. Outdoors RV also gives you the barbecue adapter that comes directly off the tanks, so you can use any high pressure LP appliance. So a camp stove, Weberq, a fire pit, anything, and then it comes with this hose to extend it out to wherever you need it to go. On the side here, all Outdoors RVs are pre-wired for a portable ZAMP solar panel. The portable panels have their own charge controller built in, so it doesn't go through the system that would be mounted on the roof if you were to opt for solar on the roof. You can get up to 370 watt panels from the factory on the roof, and then it would come with the 30 amp charge controller inside. The portable panel is going to work off its own controller. So on any Outdoors RV that has the 8-inch chassis, you're going to get a full fiberglass front cap. And what that means is it's one solid chunk of fiberglass, and it wraps over the edge of the trailer, so the seam isn't right on the corner or right on the tip of the roof. It actually wraps up and around and over the sidewalls, which is kind of cool. You also are going to have this armor guard along the front. Because this is a titanium, you saw that front windshield from the inside. This is what it looks like from the outside. 2 7.5 gallon propane tanks. Again, the auto leveling system with the front power jack. This is your little storage caddy for your safety chains, your breakaway cable, and also your 7-way cord. This particular customer on the roof, and they also went with 4 6-volt AGMs on the front for extra battery power. We include 2 Group 24 maintenance-free American-made batteries, but a lot of people that are opting for more solar, they want more battery storage. So the 6-volt AGM, or a 6-volt wet battery too, it's going to give you double the amp hours over a Group 24 12-volt battery. So a lot of people go with that so that they've got all this solar on their roof, but then they have a place to actually store it and utilize it. We also can do lithiums, but we just do lithiums on the front. We don't do any interior modifications. So here is another access to the pass-through storage. We left this slide out open because we wanted to show you the slide topper. That's also a titanium feature. That's what it looks like when it's covering the slide out when it's out, and that's what it's going to look like when it's in, and it's all fully automatic. So when the slide out comes out, it just rolls out with it. When you've got dirt and debris and pine cones or snow or whatever on the top, rain, when you roll the slide out back, everything's just going to roll right off the slide out topper. So that's a titanium, but I would highly recommend adding it at the dealer level on a mountain series or a backcountry series. So these are going to be your hatches for accessing your gray and your black tank. You've got a little light here that they call a dump valve light. So if you need to do this at night, you've got a light to help you see. This is going to be your black tank flush. So once you've emptied out your tanks, you can plug in a freshwater hose to that and it'll rinse out the tank. We do recommend using a different hose than you use for your water. You've got cable and satellite hookups right here. This is where you plug in your 30 amp or 50 amp power cord. This particular model was ordered with 50 amp service. If a person needed or wanted a second bedroom air conditioner on the Blackstone models and the Glacier Peak models, that is an option. On the Blackstone though, you have to be sure and order it with 50 amp service so that that third leg of power is there for the air conditioner. 16-inch Goodyear Load Range E tires. 16s come standard on the Blackstone series, as well as the off-road X4 suspension package, which is the More Ride CRE 3000 suspension, the heavy-duty shackles, and they all have greasable zerts, which is very cool. Your refrigerator is in the slide out on this model, so these are your refrigerator vents to help just get the airflow going. Here on the back, you've got access to your water heater. You've got your outside shower, which is also an insulated door. This is going to be your city water connection. So if you're in a park and you don't need to fill up your water tank and run off of the pump, you're going to hook up to here and it'll run directly off of the city water pressure. Titanium series comes with backup lights. Titanium series also comes with a backup camera. That's also something that can be added at the dealer level. We option in the mountain storage system, which is going to be a 2-inch, 250-pound receiver hitch on the back. It's not meant to double haul. It's meant to use bike rack or some sort of a carrier to haul a generator, firewood, that sort of thing. Spare tire comes on every unit. The big tube ladder so that you can access your roof. We recommend that you get up on your roof every 6 months and check your roof sealant. The rubber itself has a 10-year warranty on the rubber, but you still need to get up there and check all of the seams every 6 months. And then this is the garbage storage, garbage hatch. So you would have a little garbage can in here, and once you drop your garbage through the countertop, you can just remove the garbage and take it out. Thank you so much for watching our tour of the 260 KVS Blackstone. We hope you are enjoying our videos. If you do, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. That way, every time we bring out a new video, you'll be notified.